Guys, we are back with our new video. Today in this video we have JBL A140HI A series JBL car audio speaker. So guys, you can see the dimensions and the size of the Bluetooth car speaker. This is just a re-unboxing and sound test video for you all guys. Recently I have purchased this product and is totally satisfied with this product. So you can see it is a A series JBL speaker. Model number is A140HI4 dual cone speaker. You can see the price on the box is 1490, but you will get it a bit cheaper when you buy this product online. Okay, so you can see the product specifications written on the box. uh, okay, Harman, JBL Harman. So I have already unboxed this, I am just re-unboxing it and showing you what all you get in the box. So the speakers are already fitted in the car, so I'll directly show you the sound test. With that we also get JBL sound assurance, some warranty cards by JBL. uh, so so it's a warranty card you get in the box. JBL sound assurance. There are lots of terms and conditions written behind this. Okay, so you also get a installation manual with this car audio speaker JBL A series. Okay guys, so this is just a, installation manual by JBL. You can just read it if you want and install the speakers. I have already installed my speakers by an expert, so that the wiring and all should be proper while you install the speakers. You can see all the diagrams on it. They have tried to explain perfectly how to fit it. So guys, let's just I'll just show you the boxes in which my speakers came. So guys, I have already fitted my speakers in the car. Now I'll just show you the sound test of the speakers. So guys, these are our JBL A series, I mean A140HI speakers, car speakers. So guys, if you have still not subscribed to our channel, just hit the subscribe button, like button, share my videos to your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notified on our latest videos. So let's put on some songs and I'll show you the sound test of the speakers.
about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz. Niggas say they roll my